Stop paying for VEO or searching for fake free methods online, because in this video I'm showing you 2 real working ways to use VEO 3.1 for free. These methods are simple, beginner-friendly, and anyone can follow them in just a few minutes. And trust me, the second method is something most people don't know about. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss it. Let's jump straight in. Alright, let's get started. Start by opening your browser and searching for BunnyFlow. Click on the very first website that appears. Once you're on the home page, click the Get Started button to create your account. Enter your username, email and password. If you have a referral code, you can paste it here. After that, click Create Account and it will send referral code to your Gmail account. Paste it here and click on Verify Email. You'll be redirected straight to the BunnyFlow dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, scroll down a little. Here you can see that I currently have an active free trial which lets me create unlimited AI videos using Google VEO 3.1. Now let me show you exactly how you can use this to generate videos step by step. To begin, we need to install an extension. Go to the left side menu and click on the extension page. Then click Download Extension and save it to your device. Now click on the extension icon in your browser and go to Manage Extensions. From the top right corner, enable Developer Mode. This step is important. Next, open the folder where you saved the extension. Drag and drop the zip file directly into your browser and it will install instantly. Once that's done, you can close this tab and go back to BunnyFlow. Now, click on the extension icon again and log in using the same email and password you use for your BunnyFlow account. Make sure it's the same, otherwise this won't work. After logging in, go to the left side menu and click on Flow Access. In the prompt input box, type a simple prompt, leave all the other settings and click on Open on Google Flow. This will open Google Flow in a new tab. Click on New Project. Now if you look at the profile section at the top, you'll notice it's already logged into an Ultra account. And just like that, you now have access to it. Now, let's create a video. Click on the model settings below and choose your preferred options. But here's the important part. Make sure VEO 3.1 Light Lower Priority is selected. If you choose any other model, the video won't generate. Once everything is set, let's test it. Enter a prompt to generate your video, like I am typing "A cat is sitting near a road." Now hit enter to generate the video. It will take not much time and your video will be ready. Now let's have a look at both videos. As you can see, it's working perfectly. If you follow all these steps exactly as shown, you'll be able to use this method for 3 days and create unlimited AI-generated videos without any issues. And that's it. You've now seen exactly how to access it and start generating your own AI video step by step. If you followed everything carefully, you should be able to create videos without any issues. If you have followed me, you can see my YouTube channel and in my previous videos, and also have other methods from where you can get access to VEO 3.1 model. I will also give you the link in the description, or you can see the pop-up button on the top of the video. Click on it and you will be redirected on the video page. Let's move to the second method. Open a new tab and type Google Opal. Click on the first link which appears. So, this is going to be our platform. Click on Sign In by using your Gmail account, then click on Select All and hit Continue. So first of all, click on a new project and you'll have the interface like this. Now, simply click on the Generate button, and in this sidebar you can see we have multiple different options. So if I just click on the Agent section, you can see we have Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, Audio LM, and also VEO. So if I just click on the VEO, now we can use the VEO 3.1, but that's not it. But how do we know that this is VEO 3 or 3.1? So click on the advanced settings, and from here you can switch between the VEO 3 or VEO 3.1. And make sure to choose the required aspect ratio. Let's go with the 16:9. So this option is only for the text to video, but don't worry, you can also use the image to video. So let's give it any basic prompt. Now you can see we don't have any Generate button over here, and to generate you have to click on the preview and from here click Start. And now this will start generating your video. And here's the output. Pretty decent output, and if you want to download this, click on this click on 3 dots and download it. Thanks for watching the video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon button for more latest updates. See you in the next video.